little bit of a flappy baton thing that happened there, just a little bit. Where's the phrase going?
Nice job with that last few minutes.
Yeah, really good energy, Michaela.
Is that fun?
Thinking about what happens
Yeah.
between
Okay,
between
leading question.
the notes.
We can take for granted that there's a degree of percussiveness to these opening ba, 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 up, ba, ba. Leading question. Would you like them to be resonant? Yes, always, right? I think that's a great answer. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to set up, and I want you to ring as if you're ringing bells. Or you could imagine, even if you're striking the anvil, you would never, who's doing it? Is it Rebecca? Is it, okay. Could you please strike the anvil, but then like dead stroke it, like leave the mallet on the thing? Do you hear that sound? Now do the thing where you strike it and let it resonate. You obviously hear the difference, right? That is our equivalent of what I call compression. Like you compress everything versus you strike it. Does that make any sense? Mm-hmm. So you could do the first note, you could do the first few notes. I just want to experiment with kind of this to see if you can get it to be more of the latter than the former. Does that make sense? Great, give it a go. Just mess around for a minute. So you figure, thanks very much, everybody. It's a difficult thing to describe and easier to feel because you've got to allow strike, and then within this space has to be the time for the thing to resonate, and you can't really go on to the next one until that's happened.
Yeah, and I'm scared of slowing down, so I'm like scared to not take the baton away fast enough.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Try it again.
Okay.
So
Show them the line.
yeah, let's just try it again. See what we can make out of this. Good. See if you can get, we're gonna do one note only, just one, and see if you can get. Right. Right. Yeah. Good. Yeah. You're still gonna do the offbeat, but she's gonna give the downbeat. That's different. See if you can do two notes only. That's a little bit different. Can you feel that there's a little bit more space between the beats? Good. Now see if you can get it from, I said this to the group in Nabenhauer. My wife worked at the Swan and Dolphin in Orlando for a while. You know the Swan and Dolphin? Mm-hmm. And I always think the Swan and the Dolphin. You got the Swan and you got the Dolphin. So we don't need the Swan and Dolphin. It's just strike, just a little bit. You'll see it. Yeah. Now don't get me wrong. There's a time to do all that. That's helpful. But for this, I mean, watch. Can we move that stand in front of the brake drum so you can see exactly what that's like? Now everybody watch. Make an ultra resonant sound on the brake drum. Look at that beautiful stroke. Yeah. You should be a conductor. That's great. Good. Yeah, right. So go ahead and do the same thing. And even, let's just do it together. We're going to do one strike together, all three of us. It's going to be very awkward. Here goes. And do exactly what he did. Yes. Strike and then rebound. Strike and rebound. Ready? And this is different for you. Do two notes only with the ensemble. And I promise we'll go on to the lyrical stuff. I just wanted to kind of prove a point with this. Yeah. Good. Yeah, they did too. Yeah. Do you hear it in the moment, first off, how this is a better sound than it was originally? Yeah. For sake of argument, can you do the old way that you did?
Yes. I did that a lot.
Right. Do you hear how rhythmically everybody's like, oh, great. Why don't we go ahead and do it and go on and try to hear and feel the resonance of the space.
You didn't show the same amount of resonance as you did before.
Feel the resonance of the upbeat. I'm going to ask you to sing something. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Could you please sing? Could you put? I'm a paper person, not an iPad person. Here's where the melody is. We're measure 7. Could you please sing? What I'm about to do with Michaela is a great strategy for anybody. So if you feel so inclined to write this down, please do. We're going to go at 7, which is where you've got the melody and the accompaniment. Yes. And you were going after contrast, right? That's a thing that you were saying. Could you please sing this part right here and conduct?
Yes.
So you could just sort of mark yourself like,
Yeah.
good.
Da, 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 beep, da, 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 beep, da, 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 beep, da, da, da.
Fantastic. Okay, now sing and conduct the melody how you want it to go in terms of kind of the contrast and all the swoopiness and Batman and whatever. I guess this would be Zorro, not Batman. Yeah. Michaela, you're singing with more shape than you're conducting.
Yep.
Your singing is great, so I appreciate that. Conduct with the same shape that you're singing.
To my
That's a
eye
little
back
vibrato.
here, everything
Can we do something
looks
even funnier?
mostly the
You
same
all know
size.
the melody by now? Could you sing the melody for Michaela, conducting the melody, doing whatever expression she does? That was a lot of words, but I think you got it. You want to try? That's okay. We don't care about it. You try it again. Now that you heard some of the tapered stuff that they did, you're like, oh, I don't know about that. And yeah, okay. Oh. What do we think? We're gonna do it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's better.
This is my favorite part of the process. Ready? Michaela, sing and conduct. Sorry. Sing this part while conducting the melody how you just did. You understand what I just said?
Yep, yep.
Okay?
Without them.
Yes.
Okay.
That messes with your mind, doesn't it?
Yeah.
To conduct in the way of the other voice while singing the previous voice. So what I hope I'm illustrating sort of on Michaela's time here is some great practice strategies when we try to answer the question, who do we conduct? Well, it's the people that need it. So the reason I brought it up is you'll hear on the tape that this wasn't really doing a whole lot stylistically or even really rhythmically while you were trying to go after this. So in order to sort of engender maximum contrast, maximum character, maximum whatever, we have to have the skill of being able to plug in and plug out of everybody, and here's a tool to do that. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Could you do the first couple phrases just to kind of tidy this up and see what we can put into practice? Remember the compression thing. You made great strides on that.
Yeah, the big music seems, you look more resonant and not so attack oriented, and it sounds better.
Nice work today, Michaela.
Good job.
Did some of these things resonate with you? Yeah. Excellent. Well done. Thank you very, very much. Oh, yeah. I think we're going to take a break now. How's that sound?